Namaste wa assalamu alaikum. Dosto, I'm back in Kashmir. I'm here in Mirpur at the moment, and just look behind me. We are at one of the largest dams in the world. This is what this place is famous for. I'm going to take you to a few interesting places today. We're going to go out to Ramkot Fort. Then I'm going to take you to an old Hindu temple, which is out, literally, in the middle of this dam. I'm not kidding you. I've got a real treat for my Indian subscribers today. And you're going to meet one of my friends in a second. She's from here in Mirpur. I decided to come here just because it sounded so interesting. Mirpur is known as the Little England because when this very dam was being built, there was a special deal with the locals who lived here that they could go live in England and work in factories there because there was a factory shortage. So many people left Mirpur and went to England that there's now 700,000 Mirpuris in England and just 100,000 left in the city over here. That's crazy, right? And so that's why it's called Little England. Apparently in the shops in the city, you can even pay in British pounds. That's how much England is ingrained here. And I just can't believe there's so many Mirpuris living in England compared to here. So chalo, let's go meet Adeela. Let's get out to Ramkot Fort. We have to cross this dam to get there. These are my friends that I've just met, and I literally just met Adeela yesterday. I was having a bad day yesterday, like nothing was going my way and I was feeling a bit down. And then I remember that she emailed me like 2 months ago saying, if you come to Mirpur, come and meet me and I'll show you around. And so just on a whim, I totally emailed her yesterday and I texted her and she replied, and now we're here and they're so lovely. They took me to their house last night and she cooked me dinner. She has a YouTube channel actually, and she cooks. She makes cooking videos.
इधर से यार थोड़ा मुश्किल वहाँ से आके जो सीढ़ियाँ बनी हुई हैं इजीली जो है.
Oh my God, we're gonna climb this rock face somehow. I don't know how. We're going up to Ramkot Fort in the background there. Oh my God. Tika chalo, we'll try. We'll give it a go. Chalo. Dire. I did not expect this, Adeela. This has turned into a real adventure. And now we're rock climbing. Oh my God.
So I was like, let's surprise you.
Already puffed. But look at the view here. The fort's up here. Oh, there's stairs here. Woohoo! The other stairs got washed away, I think. This dam, it's the 7th largest in the world. And it impounds the Jhelum River, which actually comes from India and lands up here in this dam. And the purpose of the dam is to regulate the flow of water for farmers so they can get regular water, not much flooding, and just so their crops can keep growing all year round. So this is a very, very expensive dam, and it was built in 1965. And the 50s and the 60s, that's when people here were relocated, and a lot of them went to England. But we'll talk more about them later because we're going to go to the old city, which has been buried underwater next. And because there's a dam here, there's also a power plant on the side of this dam too. So we've got jasmine in these trees, and then you have bear here. It's a type of berry. My wife loves them when we're in Rajasthan. She'll just pick the berries off these trees and just eat them like that. The guy is living here actually. The guy looks after this place. So he's boiling something on the chula here. I think he's boiling pani. Yeah, he's cleaning the water so he can drink it. And you have the cart here. Assalamu alaikum ji. Aap kaise? Bahut acha. And then just look out here to the fort. Wow. Wow. I can already see maybe the Kund. Maybe. Yep. This is the southern tank. Wow. This being such a remote place, there's just nobody here. Nobody wants to climb to get here. So this is Ramkot Fort, and it was built over a Shiva temple. Apparently, let's see if we can find any remains of that here. And it was used by the Mughal Empire to protect this area of Kashmir. And Adeela, just tell us who you are. What do you do? Where are you from?
Okay, I'm basically from Mirpur, and I have done my MBA recently. So I have a YouTube channel. I do cooking. It's not too much videos right now over there, but we'll upload it.
She's so sweet. She emailed me saying, come to Mirpur, and look, now we're here and we're exploring. So cool, no? Now Ramkot Fort is actually built over a Shiva temple. So I really hope we can find the Shiva temple here, because this kund here, this talab, this, what's the word in English? Pond, maybe. This was used for bathing before people would go to the temple. First they clean themselves. And Adeela, what's your interest in India? Why are you watching my Indian videos?
I really want to know about the people. You know, it's very common. We have same skin, we have same language, we have almost same culture.
Same blood.
Same blood.
They're all from the same part of the world, no?
My forefathers, I always tell my grandparents that your forefathers, my forefathers were Hindus. They converted to Islam. And, you know, everything is same. We have same culture. Then why these boundaries? Why these hatred? Why to hate each other? We should love each other. We are like each other. We are brothers.
You're so sweet. You're going to make me cry. Stop. You're so sweet.
I'm going to cry. I always cry whenever I watch partition stories. It breaks my heart. A lot of people, they miss their families. It breaks my heart. People struggled a lot. They went through a lot. And this generation need to realize this, like where we are going. We need to be united. That's how the world will win.
Yeah, imagine if India and Pakistan were together.
Yeah.
How strong both could be.
Yeah, it will be.
Yeah, it's so true. You're so sweet. And
thank you.
yeah, this is why I love her. She's just, this is what the Aam Aadmi in Pakistan and India are like. There's no hatred, there's just love.
Oh, there is a love. There is a butterfly on you.
What? The butterfly landed on me?
The butterfly on you.
Still there?
Yeah, it's still there.
Oh, wow. It's good luck, no?
It's maybe.
Right on my forehead. Yeah, I could see.
I hope it won't.
Chalo, it's a nice one. Wow, had like beautiful red.
Red, pink.
Wow.
Yeah.
See, the butterfly was listening. Now, it probably came from India or something.
Butterfly was giving you blessings.
Hanji. Chalo.
Chalo.
Wow. This is the roof of the commander's residence. He used to live in here, and just the view he had, guys. Can you just tell that I'm absolutely loving my time here? Like, it's nothing like exploring these places. It's just spectacular being amongst the Jhelum here in this fort. What a special place, honestly. Jai Bholenath ki. So this is nice to see. The temple is still here, right behind me here, and the lingam it's still standing. How amazing is that? And this rock it came from India, actually, from the Ganges. So, yeah, incredible place this. Like, whew. We're just reaching the top of the fort now. We're really puffed, but it was so worth it. We're at the top, dosto, the very top of the fort. What, I can't stop saying incredible, but you know you're seeing this as well, right? Oh my God, what can I say about this place? Like, my heart just feels so full being able to spend time with Adeela and being able to see the temple here and being able to bring the temple to you guys back in India. Like what an experience, you know? Just feel so much love here. Wait, there's a huge one up here. This is the one.
Oh,
This one's perfect.
you got the best one.
Dosto, now don't miss episode 2 where Adeela and I go to old Mirpur to find the sunken Shiva mandir.